Alright guys, just going to change the oil on my 2011 Hyundai Ascent. You need some tools, you need an oil pan, you need 10 to 40 oil, should really have fully synthetic but don't, and a Z79A oil filter. Aha! I see the culprit leak. See how that's all nice and shiny? Well, it shouldn't be shiny. Alright, next you're going to have to take off the oil filter. Now, I'm just going to do this by hand because I'm Macho Man Randy Savage. And, oh, tasty. Oh, nasty, nasty, nasty oil. Oh, get in here, you sexy beast. Oh, I see you walking in the club, getting moves, making love. Yeah, you want it. Look at that beast. Now, oil hasn't been too dirty this time. I'm just changing it because I put cheap oil in there before. A little trick that most people know but some people don't. Alright, so you're obviously going to take this little plastic thing off. And get a bit of the old oil and slither it around. And that'll help you make a seal when you go put it on. Slither it all around that O-ring, all nice and greasy like. Wipe your oil off with the jeans so you get a nice tight grip when you go to put it back on. Get in there, you son of a bitch. Don't fucking cross-thread, you little shit. Don't you cross-thread. I'll kick your ass. I'll kick your bloody top end, that's what I'll do, mate. Okay, that's about as tight as you want it to be.